Okay. Oh, I don't know. Let's try this thing here. Codex. Codex. Maybe if we refresh the Codex. Codex. How do you write a for loop in JavaScript?
Please bear with me while I process your request. In JavaScript, a for loop can be written like this. Let me give you an example. This loop will execute 5 times and output the value of I to the
Okay. Looks like I need to fix the button. Let's just do that real quick here. Let's see if I can switch the window to Visual Studio Code. There it is. Let's take a look. So here, eTarget. I guess because I clicked. I guess we could do closest. What button? Maybe? It's what I clicked on though. Hold on a second here. Okay. Button floating. Closest A tag, maybe. Let's try that. Closest, what, A tag? Class list. Contains hide. Then eTarget. Closest A tag. Add hide, I guess. This looks okay. Oh, better put this back over from code to there we go. All right. Let's try this. Codex. How do you write a for loop in JavaScript?
Hold on, I'm working on it. Your request is being processed. Please wait a moment. In JavaScript, a for loop is used to iterate over a sequence of values.
Okay, that's good. So we got rid of the button. There is something in this code called progressive responses that needs to be looked at. If we come back over. Okay, so when we make a request for the code, which is happening on result, it's under submit. Okay, so what's happening here is we're doing a promise. We're sending the request out to get a response for a question, and then we're giving the user immediately some kind of feedback with a speak response that's a progressive response, saying hold on, and then we set a timeout. So we check if the speak update should be spoken. So if our data comes back here, then we should say speak update is equal to false. Don't speak that extra progressive response, and that should work. Let's try again. this back over to our chat window. We'll try again. Codex. How do you write asynchronous method in C#?
I'm processing your request. Please wait a moment longer.
It missed the sharp part. It's going to give me some.
I'm working on that task. Thank you for waiting. In C, you can write asynchronous methods using threads or callbacks. Here are two examples. Using threads. In this example,
Okay. So I asked specifically for C#. Let's see if I pronunciate things better for the browser. Codex. How do you write an asynchronous method in C#?
hold on, I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Hang tight, I'm still working on your request. In C, you can use threads to write
Okay, let's try one more time and see if it gets the sharp part. Codex. How do you write an asynchronous method in C#?
Hang tight, I'm still working on your request. In C#, you can write an asynchronous method using the async and await keywords.
So yeah, that works pretty well. It's a little dodgy with the speech, but that's why we have this text input here. And the only reason that I implemented speech at all was because if I am working in the code editor or even in Visual Studio IDE, then I want to be able to just call over to this project here and have it look stuff up for me, at least until Copilot X comes out. And I got to use the OpenAI API. So it was fun overall. I don't know. I'll probably put it on my GitHub if anybody's interested in it. Yeah.